Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just unboxed your Skylight calendar and are ready to start organizing appointments, chores, and family schedules, setting it up correctly from the beginning is important. The Skylight calendar is designed to keep everyone in the household informed, but proper configuration helps ensure smooth syncing and reliable performance. Fortunately, the initial setup process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Once everything is connected, you'll be able to view and manage events more conveniently. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that can help you set up your Skylight calendar for the very first time. Try these. Step 1. Place the Skylight calendar in your preferred location and connect the power adapter. Step 2. Turn on the Skylight calendar and connect it to a stable Wi Fi network. Step 3. Create or sign into the account required for the Skylight calendar setup. Step 4. Link the calendar services that you want the Skylight calendar to synchronize with. Step 5. Customize the preferences and display settings available on the Skylight calendar. Step 6. Verify that the Skylight calendar is displaying schedules and syncing events correctly.